This is the 2025 Honda Rebel 1100 SE DCT, and it already has a serious issue. There's no luggage rack. So, I'm going to take care of that if I can. Let's get to it. I have this extra, this is actually not even mine. It's my nephew's. They moved and he gave it to me. And yeah, it's just sitting here gathering dust. So I was thinking about taking it to the dump, but then I was like, you know what? There's some good metal there. Some good scrap metal that I could get out of this thing. And I've seen online that there's some luggage racks, and I'm sure they're strong and fine and stuff, but sometimes when I look at them, I just wonder how well they will hold up, because our luggage rack will be used at times for allowing the dog to ride with us. So you got 15 pounds of happiness and joy jumping around on the back, and I want it to be sturdy. So I think I'm going to make a custom luggage rack for this bike, and yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Oh man, that color's so amazing. I gotta look at it again. Man, Heaven's bike makes me so jealous. This bike looks so stinking good, it's ridiculous. That color, I love it. They say, if you can't weld, you'll learn to grind. Oh, yep, sucks for me. world's best when it comes to making things harder than they have to be. I'm your guy. I'm almost there though. What do you think, Tanner? You ready to ride? Let's do it, big guy. All right, there she is. I gotta cut the bolts down, so don't complain about that. Not perfect, made a ton of mistakes. Still got some things to fix and rectify, but I'll get to it. But this gives us a functional luggage rack, and I didn't have to spend any money. Not really, so I'm good to go, and I think she's good to go. We're gonna go ride and have some fun, y'all. Love you guys. God bless the USA and all those other nations out there. Until next time, I'm Biker Believer. That's my wife. That's my pup who loves riding. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.